If you don't raise invoices for your sales, i.e. you receive the cash directly from the customer as soon as the service is provided or the goods are exchanged, then you'll need to enter this into QuickBooks as a sales receipt or a deposit. The difference between a sales receipt and a deposit: firstly, the sales receipt will allow you to add a product and service related to that sale. So if you're using products and services within QuickBooks Online, I would recommend using sales receipts. If not, deposit will be adequate. They are both accounted for in the same way within the system. So for example, if we navigate to the banking here, we can see we've received a payment from one of our customers, Zulu Ltd, and you can simply click on this and add it as a deposit or a sales receipt if that is an option to you. This is if you have your bank connected. Say for example you're a shop that makes cash sales. What you'll need to do is manually add into the system either a sales receipt or a bank deposit. I'll show you how to add in a sales receipt just as an example here. So for example, I have a customer called Zulu Ltd. I'll use the same example. And the sales receipt date is for today. They have paid us in cash, so I'm using my cash on hand account here. And they are paying me for my hourly rate of £60. And here you can see the message has pulled through from my invoice template. However, this isn't necessary for a sales receipt, so I can simply get rid of that. Once you're happy that the amount up on the top right hand corner is what you've received, you can click Save and Close. This will then record that cash sale within your QuickBooks Online profile. So please remember, if you are using a bank feed directly, you can allocate a deposit or a sales receipt from the banking screen, so you will not manually have to enter any sales deposits or receipts into QuickBooks. If you are, however, receiving cash from customers, we would recommend that you enter a sales receipt or deposit on a daily basis. Depending on your circumstances, we would advise further for you. Please do get in touch on my email if you have any questions, as this can be a bit of a broad subject depending on how you are receiving your income.